thing now na two healers.
So
Security healers.
when no udire babara here na kama buta nka adide kama buta lekwe bullet.
This is to remind you that Biafra Liberation Army are still active, happening right now in Imo State. Happening right now in Imo State because Nigeria soldiers feel that they can come to East and start intimidating us and start buying us, if not because of Igbo governors and all those saboteurs. Could be Nigeria soldier where Biafra Liberation Army dey. Could be Nigeria soldier where ESN day. Now because of say some of our brothers and sisters, they give them information where Biafra Liberation Army they stay. That is why sometimes they come down, them they conquer Biafra Liberation Army. If not because of saboteur, who be Nigeria soldier. So just take note of your time and watch this video. After watching this particular video, drop your opinion in the comment section and also share this video so that other Biafrans can be able to watch this particular video. One love.
Yeah, he lost in the police. Boy. Lekweno, agekuru.
Omega live. Omalo.
He lost. Healers are poor.
This thing now na two healers.
So
Security healers.
Lekweno, udire babara here na kama buta nka adide. Kama buta lekwe bullet.
Kamgbe njilewe war film.
Lekwe bullet. Lekwe mbo. Ọkanku. Lekweno. Lekweno ndị mmadụ nwụrụ anwụ. Lekweno human being kwadere o. Lekweno human follow human being o. Lekweno guy lekweno mmadụ ibe mo. O. What they care for?
Police officers.
Police officers. Lekweno Jesus.
Obi adịghị m nwa. Achọrọ m ka m pụta tata ka m gwa m ndị Igbo okwu. Iwe na-ewe m. Ọ tata ka ndị Hausa biniri were okwu move ije na wabe Sadana of Sokoto. Gwa Sadana of Sokoto na ọrụ na Peter Obi achịghị 2027 army ye take over. Still, anyị nwa ndị Igbo. Anyị ka nọrọ n'ọfịs anyị na-ekwu na Peter Obi eje ha aje 2027 na Peter Obi eje ha emenwu ya na Jagaban bụ ego dọba na ibe Jagaban ga-eke billions of naira ibela na-emekwa unu ndị Igbo. Kedu onye mere anyị ọdị ibe a? Kedu onye mere anyị ya? Nnamdi Kanu ka akwụrụ ọtọ tụgo ya na Sokoto Kalifet ọnọdụ di ya. Kedu onye ya eje nwere anyị onwe ha? Peter Obi apụtakwana unu rụkọcha n'ọfịs ndị nwetara ego ndị kwesịrị ikwu okwu na ana Igbo ege ya na-ekwu na onwe ha ebe Peter Obi na-eje. Iwu Chukwu ka m gwazie gị na ụmụnwoke jinjin na-ekwu na 2027 na Peter Obi ga-achị na ọ bụrụ na ọ ga-ewini o no na Peter Obi ga-achị maka na ọ na-ewini no na ọ ga-achị. O nwere onye mụ na ya na-abụ na-ekwu okwu ọsị Peter Obi no dey give chichi ndị Igbo ka m gwa ụnọ Yoruba karịa anyị n'ego no na ọ na-awụ oge ọchịchị ruo Yoruba nwekọta ego bụ ọnụ were eme ibe bara uru o ruo n'oge nke anyị onye ọ na-agbasasị ya. Echetara m ụbọchị Ebuka Obi mere sọnta na mụrụ ministri ya ka o mepere ndị Igbo na America ama m ha many millions of dollars ha tụtara banyere ya. Ndị Igbo nọ UK ama m ego nebe tụtara banyere Ebuka Obi. Ndị Igbo nọ gasị African countries ama m ego nebe tụtara banyere Ebuka Obi na ọ na-emepe chọọchị. 2027 ịbụrụ onye Igbo tụọrọ nwanne gị vidio ka oge ya ịnọrọ America ihe eji aka gị mee kampen. Ndị America tụọ na ego pụta ndị Igbo na America ndị nọ London tụọ na ego pụta ndị nọgasị kọntrị niile dị iche tụọ na ego bute ka anyị na ndị Yoruba ma aka ego ebe ọ nwere ego ka ya ejije 2027 ka anyị na-aba ma aka ego na 2027 na unu tụwa bụ natasianụ ka anyị tọpọtụ Peter Obi ka o nwee na ibe anyị menwere achieve mpụta anyị pụtara ụwa ka oge ofu akụkọ ka a na-akọ Peter Obi ejeghị ejenwu na ebe a hapụrụ Peter Obi naanị Peter Obi na-amagharị everywhere ebe ọ nwere na Peter Obi na-amagharị everywhere onwe ndị Igbo ma ndị a na-etu ọga ndị ọga ga-anọdobe Peter Obi nso iyi n'anya n'akụkụ ifu Muhammad kama ndị ọzọ ha onye ọnwụna fesi biznes ya iti otu nwụrụ anwụ bata be m si m Tinubu 2027 onye na-akwụ ụmụ ya ụgwọ akwụkwọ ọ na ọchịchị Tinubu ka nna wee ma na mmadụ ji amụ nwa na mmadụ nwere ike ịmụ nwa ọfụma ahụ nke a mụrụ ọfụma na ọbụ nke mere operation with 500,000 onye mezi operation ọrụ 1.something million up n'ọchịchị Tinubu ka a na-agba fuel a liter fuel 1,600 naira gas ego na 2,000 something a liter n'ọchịchị Tinubu ịpụtasị Tinubu 2027 ala gbagbukwe gị na 2027.
As a youth, I've come to understand why people hated the Igbo man. The Igbo people, they are not bad people, they are good people. But people hate them because of Igbo man prepare is tomorrow. He doesn't think about today, think about tomorrow. For instance now, if you give Niger Delta youth or Niger Delta man 50 million, give Igbo man 50 million, the Niger Delta man will first of all rush, go and buy a car, or he will rush, go and rent a big apartment. 2, he will go and marry. He will never think about business, that money will bring more income or will make him billionaire. We never think about that. But the Igbo man will keep that money in his account, will still remain the way he was before. We never see him buy new clothes or buy car. He will just keep that money in his account, thinking of what kind of business he will do with that money. The Igbo man can keep that money in his account for 3 or 4 months. Before you know, idea will come, the kind of business he will do. Then when he put that money, if he invests that money into business, the capital will never be touched. He will only focus on the gain he's making for that business. If you want to spend money, he spend in a rational way. Whatever he wants to do, he will be very, very calculative. He will never spend in an irrational way. Why the Niger Delta man will squander that money? 50 million will make that Niger Delta man will be going to club, carrying women up and down. Why the Igbo man will never try that? Will never carry woman unnecessarily. So Igbo man is very, very calculative, and Igbo man plan his future more than the Niger Delta and other tribe. That is the place where the hatred is coming from the Igbo man. Now people will start calling the Igbo man that is stingy. He's a stingy man. He can't take care of himself. He doesn't want to look good. Every time we'll be wearing one clothes. Even common food that he wants to eat, he will never buy food for himself. Why? That man is calculating his future is tomorrow. Before you know, that Igbo man with that 50,000 naira will become an importer and an exporter. He will become a billionaire. 4, 5, 6, 7 years, the man you are talking that is a dirty man. He doesn't eat good food. He's a stingy man. Will be started buying new cars, building new houses, doing new things. Things that he doesn't expect. Why you, the Niger Delta man, have already squandered his money, waste all his money. Now we'll be having hatred for the Igbo man. That is where the hatred is coming from, the Igbo man. People are saying that he's too wise, he's too crafty. He's a bad man. He only think about only himself. No, a plan is future. Igbo man is never a bad man. Igbo man plan is future, and he's very, very calculative. So Igbo people, they are great, and they are very, very intelligent. Not like we the Niger Delta. Yes, we are intelligent, but when it comes to business, we are dull. We don't have brain in business. We only think to squander money, live a extravagant life, flamboyant life, and expensive life. That is the work of Niger Delta man. I'm asking us, Niger Delta, where are we? Where do we stand? Are we still ready to become a slave to these Northerners by looking at our resources for them as a surveillance or security? Right now, some of our leaders are still buying gunboats for the Navy and the military. To do what? To still oppress with the Niger Delta. Why are they still buying gunboats for them? Money that they will use and build industry. Or if it is an skill acquisition, do it for the youth. So this so-called our formal militant, they are wicked. They are wicked. It is high time we rise because we are seeing what is going on in the country, all over the country. This ISWAP, ISIS, and Boko Haram try to Islamize this country. They are preparing for you the Niger Delta and the East because they cannot come into Niger Delta with this terrorism. The only secret and the solution is for them to forgive those former terrorists that they capture, give them amnesty, and recruit them into the army so that they will deploy them to this Niger Delta. Niger Delta, rise up and rise up. It is high time before it is late we join Biafra. I don't know whether the thing we are seeking for, it is only surveillance. We are not born to be a surveillance. We need our resource control. Not only resource, we need freedom. We need to free from these northerners. The slavery is too much and the punishment is too much. Please join Nnamdi Kanu. Let us rise and join the Biafrans. The Biafrans with us, we intermarried. We have the same belief. We think the same way. Why the northerners with us, we don't intermarry, we don't think the same way. Different religion, different belief. They can never allow we, the Niger Deltas, to marry their daughters. But we can allow them to marry our daughters. So they are very, very wicked and diabolical. The segregation is too much. I'm urging our brothers, the leaders for now, the frontliners. If you people are not ready, we are ready. We will join the Biafra to fight this fight. We need to refrain ourselves from these northerners. Look at what is going on in the Yoruba land. Look at the way they are killing the Yoruba people. The Yoruba people, they just keep quiet, stand aloof, watching those people, destroying, killing their people. Very soon they will conquer the Yoruba land, then cross to Niger Delta. We will say that we are strong, we are strong. If they take us on Abia, they will conquer also. Please, Niger Delta, wake up, rise up. Let us join Nnamdi Kanu. Fight for this fight. Fight for this freedom. Nigeria can never be one. Please, Niger Delta, this is an advert.